Affiliate marketing is an awesome business to get into. It's one of my favorite sources of income, and it can be a really good one as well. There are actually quite a few different ways to get into affiliate marketing, and I'm actually trying pretty much all of them. However, some ways are better than others. And in this video, I want to just tell you about one of the ways that I think you should get into it because it has a very low barrier of entry, which means pretty much anyone can do it. Firstly, affiliate marketing is basically when you sell someone else's tool, product, or service, and in doing so, you get rewarded a small commission. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would a company pay you a commission for selling their product? Well, you are bringing them a customer they wouldn't have gotten, right? So you're bringing them new customers, and in doing so, you get just a very small percentage of that sale. And most companies offer an affiliate program. I think that explains affiliate marketing pretty much in a nutshell. Now let's talk about the different ways to actually, get affiliate marketing sales. Well, you can create ads, blogs, videos. You can even offer a complimentary product that goes alongside an affiliate offer just to get even more sales. But in this video, we're going to be talking solely about video. And wait, before you go, I want to tell you how I was able to start getting my first few affiliate sales from a video on a brand new YouTube channel where I barely showed my face. Yes, I'm not kidding. Literally, brand new channel, barely showed my face, affiliate sales already coming in. Let me show you how. So before I actually show you how and get more into this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. And if you are new here and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I don't know if you can see, but I'm on 43,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. My next aim is 50,000 subscribers, and I know you're gonna be able to help me get there. So please smash that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get right back into the video. This is the YouTube channel in question. It's my tech review channel, and it's kind of like a passion project. It would be an absolute dream for this channel to grow and be seen as the go-to place for tech reviews and cool videos. And hopefully one day, who knows, maybe I can collab with iJustine and MQBHD and all these other huge tech channels that I absolutely love watching literally every single day. When creating the YouTube channel, I had so many voices in my head saying, this has been done before, why are you bothering? There are so many different tech channels out there. There are much bigger people than you. Why are you wasting your time? And those kind of voices you have just got to blot out. You cannot focus on the negative side. You've just got to go ahead and do it. Yes, there are way more established YouTubers. Yes, the niche is also probably oversaturated, but at the end of the day, my direction and my personality is unique. No one can have the exact same personality as me, or if they can, that'd be a bit weird. But my point being is that's what's unique, and that's what I was hoping people will latch onto and come back for and watch more of my videos. So if that's the reason holding you back from just going ahead and doing it, hopefully this video will motivate you just to ignore all the haters, ignore all the negativity, ignore all the maybe even smart voices in your head telling you it's oversaturated, and you'll just go and do it, right? You will just do it. And I sound like the Shia LaBeouf. Just do it! I'm gonna play the meme thingy here, so that makes sense.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Anyway, moving on. This channel at present has just over 420 subscribers. It has 9 videos. 9 videos. That's crazy. And at first I was doing 1 video a week. That is how I was staying consistent with it. It got really difficult. Work just became crazy, and I actually missed the last couple of weeks. But now that I'm getting a bit of help with my other work, I'm gonna be able to go back to doing at least minimum 1 video per week on that channel. Now this is a brand new channel. I haven't got these subscribers from this main channel that has, over 43,000 now. That's not where the subscribers came from. They are new subscribers. I'm sure there was maybe some overlap. Some people from this channel went and subscribed to that channel and watched some of those videos. But the large majority of those subscribers, I'd probably say like 90% of them, are brand new subscribers. My point being, it's entirely possible to get into creating a YouTube channel now in 2021, and it's even more possible to start affiliate marketing in 2021, right? Don't think, because it's 2021 and so many people are doing it, you can't do it. You just got to get started. So, where does affiliate marketing come into this? Well, all these videos are talking about different products. You know, I'm talking about the AirTags, I'm talking about just random stuff around my desk. It's a tech channel, right? So I'm talking about various different products. And the links to buy those products on Amazon are always going to be in the description of those videos. And the more views I get, the more people click those links, the more people actually go and buy those products if they like them, if they like the review. And that's where the affiliate marketing side comes in. Now, most of those videos, because it's a brand new channel, don't really do that well, which is totally normal and totally expected. I did not expect to get thousands of views per video, you know, especially at the beginning. However, all it takes is for one video to take off, and then you can just build up a channel around that video, around that video's niche. You can create similar videos to it, and you can just blow up like that. And that's kind of what's happening. At only 200-ish subscribers, this video started to take off. You can see around here, you know, 100, 125, it's just normal views, 356, nothing crazy. And for a channel with 400 subscribers, I would consider this as viral content. The best part about this video is I barely even showed my face, and it was a video about 5 cool desktop gadgets, all of which have been linked in the description of this video that you can see here. You can see I've linked all of them straight away over here. And that's the best part about doing a video like this. It's all affiliate marketing kind of sales. And this video has such potential to shoot up and take off. 20,000 views for a channel with around 400 subscribers. That is insane. It's brought in 148 of the subscribers. That's crazy. Which leads me on to the main point of this video, affiliate marketing. I signed up for the Amazon Associates program, which looks like this. And I do have to say the commission is very small. So for that video so far, I've made just over £10. Now I know what you're saying, £10 is a pathetic amount of money, but hear me out. This is a brand new channel, not a channel I'm trying to make money on at all. And the fact that it's able to make any money is amazing. And this video only has 20,000 views. This video can go to 200,000 views. It would not surprise me one bit. Based on my research and seeing what other people are able to get with these kind of videos, it can go crazy, and the more views it gets, the more money it's going to make from affiliate marketing. And it didn't require any, you know, prior stuff. I didn't need a certain amount of subscribers or a certain amount of watch time in order to get affiliate sales. It can happen from as little as 0 subscribers for that matter. That's what I think is so cool, because this is literally a tiny channel with 424 current subscribers. It has 9 videos. These are the 9 videos. This one started to go viral. It has 6.6 thousand views. And then this one, well, it's just 19, but it's now at 20, just took off. It took off crazily. We've got other videos here, 95 views, 500 views, 74 views. It's nothing crazy, but you can really see that all it takes is for one video to take off to make a channel. Now all I have to do is create similar videos, and I have a part 2 to these 5 desktop gadgets coming out. And the brilliant part is, if I put them in the same playlist, YouTube will show one straight after the other. It will show in the right hand side under suggested, and at the end of the 5 desktop gadgets I can say go and watch part 2, and that will help kickstart that second video, and then 3rd and 4th and 5th video, until the channel just completely, hopefully, blows up. And that is the aim. That's my aim. So yes, it's £10. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, or it's a bit over £10. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but think of the bigger picture here. Think about what that £10 means. That's £10 for me creating a video about, this was one of the items. Literally, it's just stuff on my desk, and it's crazy. It's really crazy what's possible with, you know, the internet at this point in time, what you can just do from a YouTube video. As soon as the channel starts to grow, these affiliate commissions will get bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually even companies will start sending me products to start reviewing, and it will literally become a whole business. But we're just talking about the affiliate side of it. The video in question took about 5 hours to plan, shoot, and edit, and I do show my face just a tiny bit. Now, to be honest with you, I don't even mind showing my face for the entire video. I'm actually very happy on camera. But my point is, you don't have to if you don't want to. And I know so many channels who have, you know, tech channels or channels in other areas where they never ever show their face. It's just camera footage, and then a voiceover, and it works absolutely amazingly for them. After shooting and editing that video, I kind of left it. So if we have a look at the analytics, we can kind of see, right? It didn't really do anything from the day I posted it, right? Which was, I think, January something, right? January the 27th or 26th. It didn't really do much, right? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, just like very normal growth for this kind of video. And then bam, all of a sudden, right? 1,340, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 9,000, 11,000, 13. It just really blew up. Like I said, now it's getting around 1,500 views a day within 3 months of posting. I just think it's so cool. And I mean, for me, like I said, this wasn't anything about money. I love tech. I love making these kind of videos, cinematic style, kind of cool sweeping shot videos. I just love doing that. So it's just an extra bonus that it's getting lots of views and that I'm making money from it. But personally, I don't really care. I just like creating the content and putting it out there. But for you, if you want to make a bit of extra money, this is a great way to do affiliate marketing. And like I said, I am going to make other videos on other ways to do affiliate marketing, but this is just one of the best ways in my opinion. I know the money is incredibly small, but personally, I do not care one bit about the money. Doing that YouTube channel is very much a passion project for me, and I'm hoping one day it gets big enough where it becomes a proper source of income, and then I can add another whole source of income to my life, basically. That is my aim, but at the beginning, I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it very much for the enjoyment, the hobby of creating videos on topics I absolutely love. Technology, cars, anything like that. And the potential for growth through affiliate marketing, through sponsorship deals, through everything is so unbelievably huge. I don't see why everyone wouldn't do it. And I'm not saying everyone should go into a tech channel, but what I'm saying is everyone who wants to basically should go and create a channel in a niche or a topic that they are passionate about, because then it won't feel like work. It will feel like a fun side hustle or a fun side job that you could do, and eventually, you know, affiliate sales will come in, sponsored sales will come in, ad revenue will come in. It will all hopefully come in down the line. The video can be shot on your phone, literally on your phone. You can use the mic on the phone, or you could just use a separate mic, whatever. You can use a mic on the phone and record your voice, and then you can use an app on the phone if you really want, like LumaFusion, and put it all together. Or if you have an iPad or a computer or something, you can put it together like that. But my point is, you don't need to be thinking, you know, crazy equipment, crazy setups, crazy everything. You can literally just start on your phone. Just because, you know, I'm using whatever I'm using, it doesn't mean everyone else has to. You can do it more simply than that. All you need is one video to take off, and then that kind of sets the path for your YouTube journey and your affiliate marketing journey, because sponsored videos and ad revenue won't come for a while, but affiliate sales can happen from the first video. If your first video gets like 50,000 views, you can be getting affiliate sales from day one. And that's why I think it's a huge like connection. It's a brilliant way to make money through affiliate marketing by creating review videos. It seems like a difficult task, and truth be told, creating and maintaining a YouTube channel is not that easy. It does take a lot out of you. It is, you know, quite a draining thing to do, and I know that sounds weird, but you know, having to come up with ideas, having to shoot the video, having to edit the video, and then if the video fails, that feeling, or if the video is successful, that feeling, it can be quite draining. But it's totally worth it, and the best part about it is you get to control the narrative. You decide when you want to create a video, you decide what that video is going to be, how long that video is, the complexities of the video editing and the shooting and the voiceover. You are in total control of that idea. And the best part is, when you do get to control the narrative like that, it's a lot more fun. You start enjoying the process, and it doesn't feel like a job. It doesn't feel like it's taking a lot out of you, because you're loving every minute of the process. And that's kind of how I feel with YouTube. Yes, it's incredibly time consuming, and yes, it's difficult at times. It's an emotional roller coaster at times when you get views and you don't get views. But the fact that I'm just in full control, and I'm loving doing it. It just makes it so much easier. Now, this video wasn't a video trying to convince you to create a YouTube channel. I just wanted to tell you one of the best ways to get affiliate sales. There are many other ways, and I will create videos on the other ways, seeing as I'm doing all the different ways, or maybe most of the different ways. But creating a YouTube channel and making YouTube review videos is one of the best ways to do it, because people love to watch a review video of a product before they buy it. I know me personally, I watch so many videos, and the best part about it is you can hit on all the trends. For example, the Apple AirTag that just came out, right? £29. I was gonna buy one anyways, and now I'm gonna make a whole video on it, right? And that's hitting on a current trend, which should hopefully get a lot more views, which makes it a lot easier to build up a channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. And like I said, of course, I'm going to be making a lot more videos on affiliate marketing, all the different ways. I'm gonna elaborate on this way a bit more if you want. And of course, if you haven't already, please smash that like button. And again, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so I can get to 50,000 subscribers. And hopefully I will see you in tomorrow, where I should have a really, really cool video for you.